we've done all of our how-to videos on how to make your car look awesome on the outside, but now it's time to go inside and really finish it off.
No question. I hate it when I get in my car and the inside is full of dust and everything is all dull and dirty. It's not cool. But fortunately, we have a shelf full of Blackmagic interior detailer at the shop.
Yes, we do. So what is the first thing you do when you decide to clean the interior of your car?
Well, the dashboard, of course, right?
No, you turn on the stereo. You gotta get the music cranking so you can get a good job cleaning that car. Okay, so now that we have the music going, we're all good. The second step is to shake up that bottle really well. This is a good tip for any type of cleaner because it gives all the cleaning properties a good little mix and keeps anything that might have settled from staying at the bottom of the bottle.
Fair enough, that is a good tip. The interior multi-surface detailer is just that. Clean just about every surface inside of your car. Vinyl, rubber, metal, carbon fiber, and plastic.
Yeah, you don't want to use this on suede or upholstery, but that's pretty obvious. There's specific types of cleaners for those different types of materials. So first, you can start with a dash. The best way is to spray the detailer directly onto a soft cloth. Get a nice even amount on the cloth, then start wiping. And you know what else is great? How it smells, just like a brand new car.
Once you give it a good wipe, there's no need to wipe the surface dry unless you want to. This product has UV and dust inhibitor built in, so the more you let it penetrate, the more effective they will be.
It's nice to have that UV inhibitor protection. The Blackmagic Interior Multi-Surface Detailer was created with the interior in mind, and we know how much of a beating that dash takes in the sun.
And it doesn't leave a super wet finish like other products. It has a no-glare natural finish, which I really like. It's good stuff. I got a bottle on this in every one of my rigs.
Yeah, they did a nice job with this stuff for sure, and it's well thought out for what you really want in cleaning your interior. I, for one, really hate a wet steering wheel, and I really want it to be dry when I grab hold of it, so Blackmagic Multi-Surface Detailer does exactly what I want there.
Dries to the touch? Okay, well, I'm gonna keep cleaning and protecting this interior here.
Wait, Dylan, you forgot your line. When you look good,
you feel good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more car detailing one-on-one tips, and be sure to catch some of our other episodes to help keep your ride looking good.